Hello everyone, welcome to our lab room. It's my pleasure to meet you. I'm today's anchor, Rita. First of all, please allow me to introduce our factory. Our factory located in Renqiu City, Hebei Province, China, south of Xiong'an District. It's 160 kilometers from Beijing and 180 kilometers from Tianjin. We are one of major rubber manufacturers in Hebei, China, cover 20,000 square meters. We have 10 salespersons, 3 R&D persons, and 150 workers with production capacity 2,000 tons per month. We are well known in this industry. Our goods are sold to Australia, Europe, South America, North America, Africa, and so on. Now, behind me is our production workshop. As you can see, our workers are all busy in production. Okay, let's show you around. And the workshop behind me is used for mixing material. We have intelligent mixing rubber center under construction, which is located in another new land and will come into use in June, which will increase the output efficiency. We have 3 sets rolling mill. Look at this one. This one is with 1.6 m rise. It's used for produce the colorful rubber sheet, such as red, green, and white. And these 2 machines is used for producing the black one. Now, this one is with 2.53 m wide, and it can allow us to produce the maximum wide 2.2 m rubber sheet. We have 8 size rotopier machines, and these 2 machines is used for making patent rubber sheet. We have many patents such as roundout, checker, diamond, fan wrapped, well wrapped, and so on. This one is roundout rubber sheet. See the perfect surface and clear pattern. Now this one is producing 3 MPa rubber sheet. You can see there is plastic film in the middle of the rubber sheet, with both sides smooth. Now this one is making color ones. This one is with 5 mm thickness. They are rolled up into a big roll and cut into certain lines during inspection process. This one can produce 2.2 m wide rubber sheet. The thickness can be with maximum 12 mm. We can provide many kinds of rubber sheet, such as SBR, NBR, CR, NR, APDM, Kevlar, FDA, and vintage rubber sheet with very competitive price. All of our products are with very good quality. The reclaimed rubber are environmental with no odor smell, which are suitable and welcomed in overseas market. We have 3 R&D engineers. Any special rubber sheet, for example, aging resistance, oil resistance, high temperature resistant, insulation resistant, and anti-static rubber, all can be designed and made according to our customers' requirement. We have 9 size plate vulcanizer machines. If making rolls, The maximum thickness is 30 mm and the maximum width is 1.22 m. If making the rubber plates, the maximum width is 1.8 m and the length is 2.4 m. This machine can produce the rubber sheet thicker than 12 mm in roll, and the maximum thickness is 30 mm. All of our equipment are upgraded into the environmental standards, and now we developed at least 40 modes for our customers. This one called Kettle Mess, which a customer make for our Australia customer over 10 years. See the pattern and the bottom. Okay, this one is the Pebble Stable Mat. The thickness can be 10 mm, 12 mm, 15 mm and 70 mm, which sell best in European countries. Also, we can make rubber plants 1 meter by 2 meter and 1 meter by 1 meter. The thickness can be maximum to 100 mm. All the final products will be strictly checked and packed here. Of course, our testing room will inspect random each batch cargoes with records. As you can see, plastic film will be used on top of rubber sheet to avoid sticky. The rubber sheet lower than 3 mm will be with paper tube in the middle. Plastic bag or woolen bag outside. A plastic bag we have black, transparent, white and green. And the woolen bag we have orange, white, blue, yellow and green. This one, white woolen bag. We will put a label on the woolen bag, and we can also print your company's logo on the bag. Everyone, there is our warehouse. According to the order packing requirements, it is divided into pallet storage area and bulk storage area. Convenient for transportation and loading, using effective moving line to ensure timely and accurate delivery and avoid damage to finished products to the greatest extent. Hello everyone, welcome again to our lab room. A customer just asked to see our testing equipment room. Now let's take a look. All our testing machine is with gold touch bronze, which is accurate and advanced. Usually there is no such high-end equipment in domestic, generally used for inspection of tear. Our goods are strictly comply to ISO 9001, ISO 14001, REACH and RoHS. Okay, now there may customer ask whether the cargo would be inspected every time. Yes, of course. Each of our orders will be inspection before shipment, and each of our cargo is inspected with spot check rate of 5%. For example, we usually check the appearance, thickness, length, width, weight, color, and the technical indicators. Okay, here I will introduce one by one. Okay, the first, DIN abrasion resistance tester. The abrasion resistance is assessed by measuring the abrasion loss after the specimen is rubbed against sandpaper. This one, Muni viscometer. It is highly sensitive to changes in rubber materials and has a better repeatability and reproducibility. See the data. Now this one, Muin diameter. The rheometer can simultaneously determine the viscosity, electricity, hysteresis loss, and the curing rate during the vulcanization process of the rubber compound. Important vulcanization characteristics such as torque, cure rate index, and curing time can be measured. Now this one, aging oven. This machine is used for testing the changes in characteristics of rubber before and after heating. This one is oil bath. Oil bath is designed for evaluating the effect of test liquids on rubber materials. It provides test temperature up to 300 degrees with constant temperature control. This one is density determination kit. It is used for testing density. This one is hardness tester. It is used for testing hardness. This one is tensile tester. It is used to test tension, compression, bend, shearing force, adhesion, peeling force, tear strength of specimen, semi-product, and finished product. Our inspector is inspect our rubber sheet. We export about 450 containers per year. You may ask, which countries do we sell the cargo to? For example, Australia, Chile, UK, Germany, Italy, Mexico, Costa Rica, Peru, Argentina, Uruguay, Ireland, New Zealand, the Netherlands, Singapore, Egypt, South Africa, Thailand, India, Spain, and so on. Also, we know it is not easy for you to start business with a new supplier. Then we can ensure that we will take the follow steps for our order. You can definitely trust us and our cargo. Before producing, first we will send our samples for your confirmation. And once the samples are confirmed, we will making strictly according to the samples. Second, we will send our packing weights for you to confirm the packing. And then we will send our label for your confirmation. Of course, we will making format documents for your confirmation. During producing, we will send the cargo inspection photos and the test report to you, and we will let you know the detailed delivery time for booking space. After loading, we will send loading photos to you, and of course, we will recommend our other best-selling products and put the samples in your container. Choosing us will definitely not let you down. We have rich and diverse products with competitive price. One-stop purchase will save your time and money and increase your working efficiency. Please just develop your market and leave the other things to us. The above is our content today. Thanks for your watching. If you have any interest about our factory and our products, please feel free to contact our sales. We have a very professional team waiting for you. Your support is our biggest motivation. Okay, see you again. Bye-bye.